children, welcome to today's online English class. I hope all are ready with your book, notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, etc. Before we entering our today's class, we are going to see a quick recap of our previous class. In our last class, we sang the song How Do I Feel? When I am happy, I laugh. Ha 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 ha. When I am sad, I cry. Boom. When I am angry, I yell. Ah, ah, ah. Anyway, I feel. I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? Do you ever feel the same way too? When I'm hungry, I eat. Chew, chew, chew. When I'm thirsty, I drink. Gulp, gulp, gulp. When I'm tired, I sleep. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Anyway, I feel. I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? Do you ever feel the same way too? Yes, I hope you all read practice this song. How do I feel? Then in page number 109, we reading the story. Not that one. Not that one. Look at this boy. He was Gopi, and look at this. She's Gopi's mother. What she's doing? She is reading. Gopi wanted to do something in a holiday. He asked about a green box, right? So that he put a stool over a chair and tried to climb up. That time, Gopi's mother shouted, "No, no, no, not that one. All those boxes will fall on your heads." So that Gopi was angry with his mother. Then Gopi wants to go to market with his mother, right? When his mother said, "I will get you something," yes, we will. நானும் வந்து வாங்கிக்கிறேன். Like this, Gopi asked his mother, right? Let's see the today's class. Turn page number 110. Okay, they went to the market. Gopi was still angry. "I want that one," he said, pointing to an apple. In the fruit shop, he pointed to an apple, and then he said, "I want that one. எனக்கு அது வேணும். எனக்கு அது ஒன்று வேணும்." "No, no, not that one. The fruits will fall down," said the shopkeeper. So that the shopkeeper said, "No, no, not that one. அந்த ஒன்றை மட்டும் எடுத்தோன்னா மற்றதெல்லாம் கீழே விழுந்துடும்." Because in the fruit shop, they are keep the fruits in a proper way, right? But Gopi wants a apple from that apple bunches. So the shopkeeper said that the fruits will fall down. அதை எடுத்தோன்னா the fruits எல்லாம் விழுந்துடும். But look at the picture. What he is doing in the shop. Yes, look at the next picture. "I want that book," said Gopi. Then Gopi went to a bookshop. In that bookshop, "I want that book. எனக்கு அந்த book வேணும்." "No, no, not that one," said the shopkeeper. "The books will fall down." அதை எடுத்தினா மற்ற புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் கீழே விழுந்துடும். Then "I want that one," shouted Gopi, almost pulling out a samosa from a high stack of samosas. Then he went to buy a samosa. When he "I want that one" means he almost pulling out. அவன் முதலே எடுக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டான். Samosa from the high stack of samosas. குவிச்சு வச்சுருக்காங்க. High stacks அப்படின்னா குவியலாக குவிச்சு வச்சுருப்பாங்க இல்லையா? That likes. "No, no, not that one," warned the shopkeeper, ஆல் மை சமோசாஸ் வில் ஃபால் டவுன். அது எடுத்தீங்கன்னா என் சமோசாஸ் எல்லாமே விழுந்துடும். ஸோ எடுக்காத. நாட் நாட் தட் ஒன். Look at the face of Gopi. He was now in a very bad mood. I want that one, said Gopi loudly. No, no, not that one. The flowers will fall down, said the flower seller. When he tried to pull one flower in the flower seller shouted, no, no, not that one. அந்த ஒன்று எடுத்தீங்கன்னா மற்ற எல்லாமே விழுந்துரும். By now, Gopi was crying loudly. உடனே என்ன பண்ணா கோபி? Crying loudly. Everyone was looking at Gopi. And the time everyone was looking at because he crying loudly. So that everyone was looking at Gopi. I want that one. The black one, said mom loudly. Yes, look at this picture. The mom wants the black one of this puppies. Here the puppies were in a tray, right? So that mummy wants a black one. Gopi stopped crying suddenly. At that moment, Gopi stopped crying suddenly. உடனே அவன் நிறுத்திட்டான். What was the black one? என்ன black one கேட்குறீங்க நீங்கள்? He saw a basket of puppies. Yes, then he saw a basket of puppies. Mom, no, no, not that one. Let's take this brown one, said Gopi. Gopi's mother wants black, but Gopi said, no, no, not that one. அந்த வேணாம், black வேணாம். I need brown color, brown. Then Gopi gently took the brown puppy. It was on the top of the pile. Mom smiled. Gopi was smiling too. He was happy. Finally, Gopi took one brown puppy. It was on the top of the pile, means in this group of puppies, it is in the top. So that mom smiled. Gopi was also smiling. He feels very happy. Okay, Kana? Did you all enjoy the story, Dakana? Yes. Next, we're going to underline the new words in the story, Dakana. I have to take your pencil. Underline the word shopkeeper. 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 Shopkeeperனா கடையை யார் வச்சு நடத்துகிறாங்களோ அவங்க தான் ஷாப்கீப்பர் இல்லையா? Then see this third paragraph. Almost, almost, almost. Then take page number 111. Underline the word loudly. Loudly, loudly, loudly. Next one, underline the word suddenly. Suddenly, 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 suddenly. Puppies, puppies, puppies. Underline the word puppies. Puppies, puppies. Okay, Kana? Have to write all these underlined words 2 times. Next page 112. Let us do this book exercise. Circle the correct word. Look at this picture. How does the boy look, Jakana? How does the boy look? Angry, happy. Which is correct? Happy. Yes, circle the word happy. Next picture. How does this boy look? This boy looks angry. Good. Circle the word angry. Look at this next picture. Is this box or book? Box. Circle the word box. B-O-X, box. Next one. Is this apples or samosas? Is apple a samosa? Samosas. 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 Circle the word samosas. Have you all finished writing? Let's see the second question. Choose and write the correct word. Gopi pulled the green or red box. Green box. Yes. G R E E N. Green. Gopi and mom go to the market park. Which is correct? Market. 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 Gopi wants an orange apple. Which is correct? Apple. In the the shop, fruit shop, he try to pull an apple, right? So Apple, apple. Fourth one, mom wants a dash puppy, brown or black. Mom wants black puppy, but Gopi took brown puppy, right? So mom wants a black puppy. BLACK. Black. Black puppy. Okay, we'll look at the third question. Listen, think, and say. Who was reading a book? Who was reading a book in the story? Yes, Gopi's mom was reading a book. Gopi's mom was reading a book. Why was everyone looking at Gopi? Because Gopi crying loudly. Look at this page. Gopi was crying loudly so that everyone was looking at Gopi. What did Gopi say to the shopkeeper? What did Gopi say to the shopkeeper, Kana? In each and every shopkeeper, he said that I want that one, I want that book, I want that one. Like this, he asked the shopkeeper, each and every shopkeeper. Why was Gopi angry? Why was Gopi angry? Gopi was angry because Gopi's mother said, no, not that one. Right? When his mother said, no, not that one, Gopi was angry. How would you feel if you were Gopi? நீ கோபி இருந்தால் நீங்கள் எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க? You feel angry or happy? Yes, very good, cuties. Okay, ma, I'm going to complete the session. You have to read, practice all this book exercise, and then have to write the underlined new words 3 times. And then read, practice the song, How Do I Feel? Okay? Okay, ma. See you next class. Thank you. Bye.